Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate how to start, stop and delete specific data streams for any connector using intelligent integration. Now, let us navigate to the BMC Intelligent Integration. In this environment, I have configured App Dynamics Activity connectors. Currently, the data stream is disabled for both the connectors because the destination status shows as disabled. So if I enable the data stream from the destination, all the data streams, that means data stream for all the connectors will be enabled. If I disable the destination, then the data stream will be disabled for all the connectors. Now, here you can see the option green circle. If I click on this green circle, that means specific connector data stream will be in progress. And you can see the options in the middle bar. The three arrows indicates event, metric, and topology data stream. If I want to start the stream for specific data type, for example, events only, click on that middle bar. You can see the option start data stream for events or delete the data type for event. If I want to enable data stream for matrix alone, I can click on the middle bar and click on start. So the data stream for matrix data type only will be enabled for app dynamics. If I want to delete the specific data type, for example topology, click on the middle bar. You can delete the specific data type for specific connector alone. So these are the options. If you want to delete, stop, start the specific data types for any connector within intelligent integration. Now, if I want to execute this stream for activity connector. Enable the enable the option for activity connector. Now the data stream started and the destination also shows as enabled. I want to stop the data stream for topology for activity connector. I will click on the middle bar, click on stop button. So the data stream stopped for the topology data for activity connector. I want to delete the activity matrix data. So I will click on the middle bar, click on the delete matrix data type. So that matrix data type was deleted for activity connector. So this is how we can start, stop and delete the specific data types for any connectors in intelligent integration. Thanks for watching this video.